Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are decorating this room. Tommy has gone to work, so I figured I'm going to come in, tidy it all up, give it a good Grinch makeover with the DIYs that I made in yesterday's video and just make it a little bit more festive in here. It's looking a little bit bland. I'm sure he will be either overjoyed or a bit like, what on earth is going on with my life when he comes home from work, but I think it's going to be a nice surprise either way. I've always wanted to do like a little surprise kind of Christmas makeover for someone. I know people usually do it for the kids and that sort of stuff, but I'm a kid myself and I figured I've got Tom, I can do it for Tom, so that's what I'm doing. Anyway, so the first thing I went ahead and did the other day was I went into town and I went to Primark and that sort of stuff and found as much Grinch merch as I possibly could. So I picked up a whole bunch of random stuff from Primark, including this cushion. I actually thought this was going to be one of those ones that switched around, but it wasn't. But it just has the Grinch on and it says naughty and nice on the other side. I like the naughty side better, so I just thought that that would be fun just to pop on his chair. This was £8 down to £3 and I thought, you know what, I didn't go in for a cushion, but for £3 it might just set off the whole vibe, you know. Again in Primark, and for the chair I picked up this Grinch throw. This was actually what I went in there for because I seen this on Instagram and I thought this is going to be the perfect thing. So this was £12 and this is the pattern on the throw. I really liked it, so I got that. I just thought that would be nice to throw over the chair and that sort of stuff. In Primark as well, I also picked up the Grinch socks. I thought this would be fun to like attach to some twine with some pegs or something. And then I picked up these little kind of slipper socks. Now these were only available in sizes 6 to 8. Tommy's feet are size 9, but I thought if he can't fit his feet in them, I can have them. They have the Grinch and stuff all along the bottom. How cool are these? I love them. But I thought if I hang these up on a little kind of wash and line-esque thing, I thought that could make a fun little decor piece as well as being quite useful after, you know. I picked up this sign as well in Primark. This was £6 and I did feel a bit ripped off buying this because I figured I could DIY this for way less. But I thought I would buy it just to save myself a little bit of time because I haven't got endless amounts and I thought this was really sweet, so I just bought this one. I went into Poundland and I picked up some Grinch marshmallows. These were reduced down to 50p. I actually went in there to get these, couldn't find them, went to the tills to check out and there they were for 50p, so I was like, bonus. And another thing I picked up in there was this cool candy sweet shop thingy. I just thought this looked quite Grinch-esque with the reds and the greens, and it's got sweets in, and everyone loves sweets at this time of year, don't they? So I picked that one up from Poundland. And then the last thing I picked up, which I'm a little bit disappointed about, because I went into the Entertainer to get the Grinch Funko Pop, but they only had Max the dog left. And then I ordered the Grinch Funko Pop from a website online via next day delivery on Tuesday. It's now Friday and it still hasn't been dispatched, has it? So we've got Max the dog. The Grinch will come in due course, don't you worry, but Max the dog's just gonna have to do. So along with my DIYs, I think I'm happy with the amount. I may have to go and get a few extra bits, but I thought we'd decorate together and see what else we may need. Okay, so I've got a bit of a change of plan. Last night I ended up going to Homebase and all their sales like started, their trees were like 75% off, and I picked up this little 3-footer just in order to cut up and make into a DIY. It only cost £4, which Very happy with. And I figured, actually, I could just use it as a mini tree in the corner. And instead of making a garland with those socks, I could put the socks on the tree. Which I feel like is kind of Grinch-esque because, I mean, there's like those little socks that run away in the Grinch and stuff, isn't there? So I could put the Grinch socks on the tree. Then if I have any left over, I can then kind of, you know, do a little garland as well. But I think they'd work better on the tree. So we're doing a mini tree as well. I've ever seen. I think this kind of works though. I think these socks kind of like a little bit of ribbon going round. Gonna do, what a strange tree. This is probably my most odd tree. And I have this bow which I tied up from the like throw, and I think I'm just gonna whack that on top. That is possibly the weirdest thing I've ever done. Okay, so I have a few socks left. I only have 4 left, and then those really fluffy ones as well. And I think I am gonna do a little bit of something with them because it would be a waste, wouldn't it? I mean, we have a sock tree now. So this is the before of the room, as nice and plain, tidied up after I'd gone in and clean sweeped it. And this is the after. So it's certainly way more festive, way more Grinch-like, and I am obsessed. It was obviously super budget friendly to be able to do because I found the throw and the pillow from Primark, a few other little bits from Primark, and then everything else was DIY'd from either rubbish or really budget friendly materials. But I think altogether it looks super duper kind of effective, and I'm really happy with how it has turned out. I love the sock garland as well as the sock tree. It gives it something a little bit different, as well as, you know, not having to go out and buy ornaments, make them or anything. It just kept the costs down, and the fact that the tree was £4 was even better. These little bits again were from Poundland. These were DIYs from pizza bases, so, you know, reusing that rubbish that would otherwise be put in the bin, and I'm just really happy with it. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed the last couple days worth of Grinch inspired videos. I'm sorry if you haven't, but I'll be going back to my normal Scandi, less in your face vibes over the next couple of days, so hopefully you can enjoy those videos. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon for another video, and by very soon I mean tomorrow. Bye.